Assalamu alaikum everyone. For today's recipe, I'll be making a pineapple fruit chaat or fruit salad, and I'll list all the ingredients in the description below the video along with the link to my other chaat recipe. And as you can see, I'm using all of the fruits I used in the other chaat I made, and then I have a couple of berries, and also I have pineapple, which is the primary fruit in this chaat, and also the homemade tamarind and the plum sauce. And then I'll be also adding Bombay Chaat Masala this time, which is by Malka Foods, and this is a new spice company, newly introduced in Toronto, Canada. I will add a link in the video to exactly show you where you can find these spices, but for now let's just get to the recipe. So I'll be adding all the fruits in a large bowl, and I'll give it a quick toss, and then I'll go ahead and add the Malka Foods Chaat Masala. Only a table and a half, so 1.5 tablespoon of the masala was enough for this quantity. And then also the plum sauce and the tamarind sauce I made had a bit of well, not a bit actually, like it had quite a bit of salt and red chilies in there, which also added a lot of flavor to the chaat. But I really liked the taste of this new chaat masala I tried, and it did give me a different flavor to my chaat. And then I'll squeeze the juice from the oranges, like the last time in my other video. You can see I like to do that. It keeps the chaat fresh for a longer period of time, because usually the fruits change color within a few hours, but with the orange juice in the apples or the bananas, you can see the fruit stays fresh for a longer period of time. Day or two, you won't even feel the difference. Like, that's how fresh the chaat will taste. And then I'll just give it a toss again and add the tamarind sauce and also the plum sauce. Also, please don't throw away the pulp part of the orange. So what I do is I just squeeze the juice, and then I take up the slices and just add them to the chaat, so they don't go to waste, and they won't go bitter as well, because the juice is out, and the pulp is fine. Like, it won't change its flavor or color. And then again, I'll just toss everything together. Chaat is ready. Very simple but very delicious recipe, perfect for like an evening snack. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.